Hello, दोस्तों नमस्ते क्योरा. So today I will take you to the Wellington cable car. It's very historical car and known for its scenic beauty. I'll take you close to this. Hare Mai mean welcome. Wellington cable car. Look at it. ये है वो केबल कार. और मेरे को एक कहावत याद आ गई. If beauty had its wheels and cables, so it's not other than Wellington cable car. So Wellington cable car. So ये हर 10 मिनट के बाद आती है और आपको एक ब्यूटीफुल हॉस्टेस की तरह नीचे और ऊपर ले जाती है. अभी हम खड़े हैं कैल्वन में और कैल्वन से ये जा रही है लैम्पटन की. आफ्टर एवरी 10 मिनट्स इट विल टेक यू डाउन एंड ब्रिंग यू अप इन एवरी 10 मिनट्स. सो ये दोस्तों इसकी जितनी प्रशंसा की जाए उतनी कम है. इट्स सच ए ब्यूटीफुल कार and you know the top portion is Kelvin. I will show you the Wellington city from the Kelvin. You can see this side. You can view this beautiful harbor and majestic views. So that is the first cable car. Now it is in the museum. It has undergone through so many changes. And you can look at the museum, pretty nice. So yeah, that's the story covering all the transitions it has undergone through.
Kia ora koutou katoa. No mai hoki mai ki te wakatura o Poneke. Welcome aboard the Wellington cable car. We'll now descend 119 metres along the 609 metre long track into the heart of the city. The 13-tonne weight of this car helps to pull the other uphill, making the cable car one of the most energy efficient forms of transport. Since 2022, we've been certified as a net carbon zero business. The lights in the next two tunnels can be programmed with light shows marking festivals, charitable events, and special occasions such as Matariki and Anzac Day. On through the south part of the loop to your right, and Kaiju through the north to your left.
So it was really a very wonderful journey, like a king and queen. So we all the way, came through tunnels, few viaducts, and we just came down from the hill, from the top of the hill, and we are in Lambton Key, and this is a shopping center, beautiful shopping center here. So this is a time we can buy whatever we want, and walk around, and then we will go back. And that's very good, we parked our car over there, and that came down. And let's check out in the city. सो दोस्तों अब सिटी का नज़ारा भी ले लो। है ना, कहाँ क्या आई है अपने अच्छा दिन है, धूप वाला दिन है और सिटी इज़ क्वाइट बिजी। मे बी लंच टाइम। People are so busy like a bee here. Everyone is moving up and down. And busy with their routines. So चलो चलते हैं आगे कहीं, हम भी अपना काम पूरा करते हैं। बिरंगी बिरंगी रोड। कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है, सिर्फ अभी तक ऑफिस वाले बंदे ही हैं। अपने लंच टाइम हो गया है, ये लंच टाइम की मारा मारी है। अदरवाइज पीपल आर सो पेशेंट अदरवाइज। सो हाँ okay. So Lambton Key, this is a cherry season at the moment, and this man is, selling the cherries. So what's your name, sir?
Miko.
Miko.
Yeah.
Oh, hello Miko. How are you, Ashmeet?
I'm pretty good.
So you got a, the how much is in $10?
$10, $20, $30.
$10 of the cherry. It's a very nice standard size here in New Zealand. It's very nice. Any special characteristics of Nelson's cherry?
Extremely sweet.
Extreme-
Extremely sweet, extremely juicy. Best
Extremely
cherries on the
sweet,
market.
extremely juicy.
Best cherries on the market.
Okay. So because what's the reason? Like Nelson or Seaway
Nelson has a little, it's like its own little microclimate.
microclimate.
Yeah, where it gets all a
The
lot
soil is very nice
Yeah.
for
of,
these.
best for, yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing really grows too well in Wellington.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm taking this one. These are $10 one.
Yeah.
Okay. So cherries, Mad Thorn. So that's the name of the brand.
Yeah.
Mad Thorn. Cherries $10. Okay. Thank you. So friends, we are back from the city and now we are heading to our stop, and our hostess has arrived. Beautiful hostess dressed up in red color is here to welcome us, and better to choose our seat, nice one, so I can show you the nice views. That's all right. So do you know which month is better to travel in Wellington or travel in New Zealand?
December, January.
December, January
Yeah.
until February.
Until March, I think is
हाँ.
nice weather in Wellington.
हाँ. तो इस केबल कार का जैसे हम सिटी में ठहरे हैं कहीं भी होटल्स में, और इफ़ यू वांट टू द विजिट टू द वेस्टर्न suburbs like Kelvin, Karori, Zealandia, or sightseeings, that's botanical garden. So what is the better way to the visit all these places?
You get the cable car for those and then go around the city.
Oh yeah, go around the city. Yeah, that's a quite good idea ना. उसके बाद उधर खाना बाना खाओ, लंच करो और उसके बाद अपना केबल कार लो और केबल कार विल टेक यू अप देयर इन कैल्वन एंड आप बोटेनिकल गार्डन में चले जाओ और जिलैंडिया घुमाओ और जिलैंडिया के लिए यू विल बी प्रोवाइडेड बसेस इन आफ्टर एवरी 20 मिनट्स.
They have buses.
ओके दैट्स प्रीटी गुड आइडिया. सो दिस ये केबल कार की देखो बड़ी अच्छी एक फैसिलिटी है और ये अपना आपको कितना शॉर्टकट में लेके जाती है यू नो द ये अपने इसको कैल्वन के लिए. अदरवाइज बस में आप यू हैव टू वेट फॉर द बस और टैक्सी और ऊबर वट एवर यू नो द ट्रांसपोर्ट यू वुड लाइक टू चूज़. सो अभी भी देखो केबल कार्स ये 1880 से स्टार्ट हुई है और अभी भी यू नो दे हैव केप्ट इन वेरी गुड कंडीशन. कारें चेंज हो गई लेकिन ट्रैक वो ही है. ट्रैक में भी चेंजेस आई है और इसमें काफ़ी सारा इंजॉयबल है और बहुत ही सीनिक. देखो आप साथ में कितना अच्छा पेंटिंग्स है. ये लोगों को टेंशन फ्री है. जैसे कार पार्क का हो गया अपना ऊपर से आना है तो आपको सिटी में क्योंकि कार पार्किंग का प्रॉब्लम है सिटी में because you know there's less space and so many people people work in the city, so city can't afford cars to everyone and especially from this server the cable car doing the job and it is doing the very good job. After every 10 minutes you know this cable car is accessible for the public.
Tunnel decorate की थी ना Christmas तरीके.
So we are passing through the tunnel at the moment. Now I can see the viaducts here. Out of the tunnel, but under the viaduct. And you can, same time you can see the, we are on the terrace at the moment. Under the terrace you can see, not on the terrace, the lights. Beautiful, fantastic.
It's like a Christmas decoration.
Here in the middle. The other one is passing on my left. And
Finish your studies?
I have.
That's your pass.
That's got a yeah, I've got a funny hat.
Good on you.
so this place is called Salamanca.
PhD.
So on the way it's Salamanca, so
Yeah.
Twice.
Twice yeah, no, I took it kind of strict this level.
What's it in?
Bakery Street.
Oh, it does. Not good.
Yeah. Keeps me busy.
Mine was filled.
Oh, okay.
Politically.
Yep. Yeah, no, my husband did the political philosophy. He's got a master's degree in legal philosophy.
so we are
My graduate.
at the end of the top
Finished in 80, graduated in 81.
81. Yeah.
and waiting here. Could you please, Claudia, tell me a little bit about how does it stop?
How does it stop?
You have a break here.
Yes, yeah, we have a break inside, and if someone wants to get off at a stop, we just let them get off.
Or trolley will stop. The another one, which is going to the opposite direction, that also stops at them.
Yeah, so they're
That
fully,
has to stop.
yeah, so they're fully connected. So if
Yeah.
one car is going, the other one has to be going, and if one car stops, the other one has to stop.
Oh, okay, okay. So this
Yeah.
is going with these police. These pulleys are
Oh, yes.
moving, and these pulleys are like the electric operated.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so who look after this train, like Wellington City Council or some private company?
We have our own company in the cable car, so we have our own people that look after it.
Oh, you have your own people. No, I mean, who operates the whole show?
We are like supported by the Wellington City Council. as
Wellington
well.
City
Yeah.
Council, but it's a different company, like Oh, okay, that's fine. So you got a like the job, like a full-time job. You do?
I work here.
Okay, it's need a special training or?
To drive it, you have to have you have to do a proper license training to drive it.
Oh, it's a train license or just the different license?
It's a independent cable car license, so it's different from like a train license.
It's different than the Translink.
Yeah.
Metlink and
Yeah.
Metlink is that's a different company, but this is owned by the.
Yeah. So we have our own special license.
All special licenses. Oh, okay, but you can drive the other train as well, or just the.
No, I can't drive the other train, just this one.
You have expertise to roll this train.
Yeah, just this one, so I wouldn't be driving the normal train.
Okay, so I think you never you may be enjoying a lot, like driving this train, like
Yeah, it's very
because
fun.
sightseeing. It looks like it's I rode in the train and it looks like I'm a king, like in the train, like.
Yeah, it's beautiful view.
Such a wonderful journey I ever had in my life. It made my day, like so refreshing. Like I'm going very happily.
I'm
like,
so glad you enjoyed it.
I'm living the fairy tales, like kind of like that.
Yeah, I'm glad you enjoyed your trip. Yeah, it's a nice short one.
Thank you for taking your time.
Oh,
and,
good.
Thank you for your patience.
Oh, no worries. I hope you guys have a good rest of your
So we are here at Parson Cafe, Khandala. So we order carrot cake and we order for coffee as well. Thank you. How much is that? 21 cents. 21 cents. Very reasonable. The self is here. And they got a very reasonable it is, and quite a nice variety here. These are all pies here and all sort of pies, and very reasonable price I found here. About $7-8, and that's a big meal here. And the place called Khandala here in Wellington. Variety. Nice taste, very fruity, and good crunch. And how about this one? Carrot cake has always been a favorite of mine. Mouth melt. Beautiful. So friends, thank you for watching my video. Thank you.